Here's how to edit social links on your Squarespace website. To do that, we're going to go to Settings in the lower left-hand corner. We'll click the little gear icon. Inside of Settings, about halfway down on the main website settings, we'll find Social Links. Inside of here, you can see all the different social links that are associated on your account. So you can display these links if they're not already displayed on your website. You can move these links around to reorder them. You can click on one to then edit it. So you can edit the profile URL. You can choose whether or not to actually show that icon. You can also remove it and then of course save any changes. You can add social links pretty easily down here too. So if there's another social platform, maybe like TikTok for instance, you can add in the URL there. Now you can also do this while you're editing your website. So if we exit out of this and go into edit, you might have a site where your social links are displayed up top in the header. So we could click on the header and then click on that social links block. Inside of there, we can just delete it if you want to delete it, but also click the edit social links button, which allows us to do the same thing. We can adjust the design, whether it's icons and if they have any borders, and then the content themselves, as in the links. First, you can click this edit button to move them around like we did before, and also remove any links. You can also add social links by clicking the add social link button down here below. And then if you click on any of your links, you can actually adjust the link or the profile itself and choose whether or not to display it and then delete it here if you want. So that's how you can edit social links or social icons on Squarespace.